Every golfer's had to lay their expensive wedge or putter on the wet grass while they take their shot. You end up with 2 wet clubs, a sore back, or worse yet, forgetting one. Introducing the Club Keeper, the inexpensive way to keep your clubs close at hand. The Club Keeper puts your clubs right where you need them. Place the Club Keeper between you and your cart and you'll never forget a club again. The Club Keeper fits easily into any golf bag and comes with a towel clip to keep everything you need handy. The Club Keeper is perfect for the green, the driving range, or anywhere you need more than one club. You would expect to pay $50 in a pro shop, but right now the Club Keeper is yours for just $24.99. We'll even throw in a free towel. But wait, call now and we'll double the offer. You just pay shipping and handling. Here's how to order. Call 866-829-8725 to get 2 Club Keepers and 2 bonus towels for just $24.99 plus shipping and handling. Call 866-829-8725, 866-829-8725, or visit us on the web at clubkeeper.com.